preparation of food. Food processors are similar to blenders in many forms. A food processor typically requires little to no liquid during use, unlike a blender which requires a set of amount of liquid in order for the plate to properly blend the food. A food chopper is basically a food processor of a smaller size. It also suits better for chopping food than for making smoothies. Almost all modern food processors have safety devices which prevent the motor from operating if the bowl is not properly secured. Food processors normally have multifunctions depending on the placement and type of attachment or blade. Make sure the machine you choose is powerful enough to handle the
Easy
torque
Assembly 8-cup
jobs.
food processor. Meal prep made easy. With the Easy Assembly food processor, it's just set and go. The innovative design lets you just set the bowl down onto the base and start processing in seconds. The stainless steel S-blade and the dual-sided slicing and shredding disc prepare a variety of ingredients fast. Slice whole vegetables for a salad. Shred cheese for easy melting. Chop vegetables to create delicious, fresh salsa. The 450-watt motor can handle a variety of tasks. With 2 speeds and pulse, operation is simple. You'll enjoy peace of mind with a safety interlocking lid. It makes sure the blades don't spin until everything is secured into place. When you're done slicing, shredding, and processing, cleanup is simple. The 8-cup work bowl, lid, and cutting attachments are all dishwasher safe. Plus, the touchpad controls are easy to wipe clean. The Black+Decker Easy Assembly 8-cup food processor, the fast way to delicious home cooking.
Introducing the latest addition to the Breville Precision range, the Sous Chef Peel and Dice. With all the features you already love and new peeling and dicing discs, this machine will do all the hard work for you in less time. With a chute designed for every shape, different dice sizes, you now have even more options to create masterpiece meals in minutes. Let's see it in action. The new dicing kits come in 3 different sizes: the 8mm for salsas, chutney and pie fillings, and the 12 and 16mm for vegetables and fruit salads. These different sizes are perfect for creating a range of different dishes. To create a fresh summer fruit salad, we'll start with the 16mm disc. The dicing attachment works by slicing and then dicing your foods. This 2-step process ensures even and precise cubes. Precisely dicing each piece of fruit into exact pieces results in an even balance of flavour from all the different fruits in your dish. Once done, add some berries, a squeeze of lime and some fresh mint to garnish. As you can see, creating up to 2.5 litres of diced fruit in under a minute will not only save you time, but give you perfectly consistent shapes, resulting in a tastier final dish. Next up, we're going to make a potato gratin. This machine takes on what would normally be a chore by doing all the peeling and slicing for you. Insert the peeling disc, place unpeeled potatoes onto the disc so that the bowl is filled. And watch as it peels 7 potatoes in record time. Once peeled, swap out the peeling disc for the adjustable slicer. The adjustable slicer has 24 settings between 0.3 and 8mm. For this dish, turn to 2mm. Let's see the processor slice our potatoes. Now we want to shred the cheese for the top. Attach the reversible shredding blade, place the cheese through the chute, and use the pusher to grate. After we've arranged the potatoes into layers and poured over the sauce, we're going to sprinkle the cheese and bake until crispy and golden. After that has finished baking, we're left with an absolutely delicious potato gratin for the whole family to enjoy. The Breville Sous Chef Peel and Dice is the ultimate addition to your kitchen. From quesadillas and gourmet pizzas to fresh salads, the range of meals and dishes you can create is endless. With an extra wide chute and an extensive range of 10 attachments, it takes all the hassle out of your meal preparation. Save time and cook with precision. If you want to try any
The kitchen revolution is on its way. Magimix presents the Cook Expert. Your kitchen will never be the same again. Nothing is impossible for this kitchen genie. Made to last using high-quality materials, user-friendly and attractive, it has many ingenious functions. Its 12 automatic programs are intuitive and easy to use, covering a wide variety of cooking methods. Cook Expert's induction technology means that the temperature can be raised very quickly with incredible precision. The double wall bowl keeps in the heat like no other appliance before, with total safety. Nothing could be easier than its fingertip controls. Cook Expert makes life easier thanks to its rinsing program. Cleaning is child's play. With the Cook Expert, you can't go wrong from starters to desserts. It slices with the precision of a Swiss watch. It grates and slices to within a millimetre. Your sauces will be perfect every time, whether cold or hot. Cook Expert is the steam expert. Its large 2-level basket guarantees ultra-healthy, ultra-tasty cooking, making cooking fun again. Creamy or chunky, the art of soup making holds no secrets for the Cook Expert. And now for some tradition. With its casserole bowl, the Cook Expert can simmer to perfection. What could be better than the delicious smell of home baking? A whole range of desserts just waiting for you. Thanks to Cook Expert, meringue tarts, chocolate mousse and iced desserts are yours for the making. Who is the best ally of your health and imagination? Who helps you pack in the vitamins and cool the palate? The Cook Expert, of course. From starters to desserts, a whole world awaits you. You'll never be short of inspiration with the magnificent recipe book and free, incredibly rich app.